In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace this 110 volt AC receptacle. It's located in the back seat, second row, right there. Let's get into it. You want to start by grabbing the receptacle and using a prying tool, like a pocket screwdriver, just get in between the receptacle and the center console. You just want to pry it out a little bit on top, then underneath, do the same. You could use a trim tool as well. Pries out just like that. Then disconnect the connector, just push down on the tab. The only thing holding this in is these clips that you can see on both sides, there and there and there. You can always look at the new one if you're struggling to get this out. So you just want to pry in between there and then just pop it out. And it pops out fairly easily. Now take the new receptacle, line up the plug, plug it in, just line it up and just push it in.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.